Welcome to the Daily Blizzard. My name is Noel Reynolds. I do not have an itchy tongue, but we're going to do the top 3 North American slopestyle riders that might win some gold. You get the deal. Keep going. And we're going to kick our top 3 off with Seb Toutant, otherwise known as Seb Toots. Pretty sure I said his surname wrong like I do with everybody else, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. X Games medals in his bag. If you got a fiver, go down to your local bookies and chuck it on him.
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. If finding somebody real is your fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib, maybe we can solve. Hold up, bitches in my dime. Taking hella long, bitch, give it to me now. Make that thing pop like it's in me over 9. Ooh, baby, like it raw with the shimmy, shimmy, yeah, huh? ASAP, get like me. Never met a motherfucker fresh like me. All these motherfuckers when.
And we come to number 2, and it's an American rider, the only one on the list, so this is going to start a bit of controversy. And no, it's not Shaun White. And we're going to go with Sage Kotsenburk, the inventor of the Holy Grail, and second in the Earn style with that move as well. And to finish off our list, we go back to Canada to Mark McMorris, one of the favourites for Sochi this year. Here's what he's been up to.
5 blunts in rotation, 5 blunts. 5 blunts in rotation, 5 blunts. 5 blunts in rotation, 5 blunts. Hold it. Ooh. Trying to stay in my zone. Watch them enemies close. Baby doing the most, so I go through the motions.
So thanks for watching. That was our top 3 North Americans to actually win something at Sochi in slopestyle. Well, American-Canadian, because it was a little bit more the Canadians. Anyway, make sure you follow us on Facebook. And we got a Twitter. Join us tomorrow for some of the best names that crews have out there. Whatever that means.